So if you're planning to build a custom tile bathroom with wainscoted walls, and you're looking for a toilet paper holder with minimal wall terminations, simple cap styling, a one-piece paper holder with integrated spring, an accessory that is ridiculously strong, that will never loosen or pull away from the wall, look no further. TileWare has the answer. Watch this video. So this is the rough end that will be situated behind the tile. This is the stabilizer, and these are the thumb screws. The thumb screws hold the stabilizer in position. Basically, the stabilizer is the tool that holds these anchor points in a very precise location. Use the stabilizer when you're installing tile. Immediately after the tile is installed and the thinset has cured, you can remove it and discard it. Now, the thumb screws are important, so don't remove them until after grouting. They protect the internal threads. Looking inside, the purpose of the thumb screws is to keep both thinset and grout out of the holes, so the threads are kept clean so you can properly attach the accessory. This component is called the sleeve, and I'm going to feature the various holes. This hole is for the decorative cap. This is for the toilet paper holder. The bottom touches the surface of the tile and slips over the anchor point. If you look real close, you can see the hole, then the recess. The recess allows us to facilitate something we call grout fillet. During the grouting process, a little bit of grout material will hang on the surface of the metal. The purpose of the recess is to absorb that grout material so you don't need to take a utility knife and cut it off, a thoughtful detail for the tile professional. This 8/32 patch machine screw right here, patching is that yellow thread locking material, we're going to drop into the cap hole like this. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, we're going to slip the sleeve over the anchor point and begin tightening. We are going to point the tissue holder hole horizontal with the direction of the grout line. You can easily align this by eye, it's not difficult. Using machine screws versus wood screws, you can really tighten these sleeves down so they never loosen or pull away from the wall. Also, the yellow thread locking patch will keep these threads from loosening or reversing. We'll go ahead and mount the right side sleeve, which is essentially the same part rotated in the opposite direction. As you can see, this installation process is super easy, and why we can guarantee our accessories will never loosen or pull away from the wall. It's all because of our exclusive PermaTile anchoring method. In the next step, we'll cover the sleeves with decorative caps. We offer both contemporary and traditional styles in multiple finishes. Caps and sleeves have mating machine threads, and they only take a few seconds to attach. Simple process. Attach the sleeves, then thread the caps. That's pretty much it. Now we're going to introduce the paper holder. This is a really well designed part with some unique features. First thing that I'd like to identify is the precision sleeve bearings. They are made from a crystalline plastic, which is a precise, durable, and solvent-resistant material. The purpose for the sleeve bearings is to protect the sleeves themselves from being scratched, specifically here, where you're using the accessory again and again, year after year. That's basically it. It's really simple to install a paper holder. Now I'd like to feature the internal spring built into the paper holder itself. Lesser quality paper holders are typically made into 3 parts, comprising a left and right cylinder, as well as a separate compression spring. TileWare designed a single assembly with an integrated compression spring, so you're never manipulating more than one component at a time. The action here feels great and definitely strong. There you have it, another reliable tile anchoring solution by TileWare. If you're new to our channel, subscribe now. and give us a thumbs up. Go ahead, hit that bell. Just do it.